I think there are unique things about Arris and their understanding of manufacturing and inventory that have helped us. Well, my name is Andy Reed. I'm the controller at Sacoma Specialty Products in Edinburgh, Indiana. We are a metal fabricator. We support predominantly automotive and heavy truck applications. I think Chad's approach was unique to us. He was able to come in where other vendors were not able to identify our struggles or to sympathize with our struggles. He'd seen what we were struggling with. He'd seen already, and that was what set Arris apart, was the knowledge of manufacturing, the knowledge of inventory control, and understanding how Epicor is best set up to benefit manufacturing and inventory. He was able to pinpoint improvements very quickly based on his experience. Some of the key successes we had, we were able to completely restructure one of our business units. We have all of our businesses under one roof, but we have two main processes. We stamp parts and we fabricate. And some of the inventory control demands of those two business units are a little bit different. So after Chad worked with our engineering group and our quality group, he was able to make a recommendation on changing the nature of how we make our fabricated parts. We were building everything and putting it in inventory. And in those fabrication processes, we've got several steps along the way that when you build to inventory, it creates or has the tendency to create excessive inventory. So he was able to make a recommendation for us that we change the method, the way that we manufacture, or the way that we set up our methods of manufacture within Epicor, and build to order instead of build to inventory, build to stock. That's made a tremendous improvement in the amount of inventory we have on hand and the amount of inventory we have in that work in process status. So that was a tremendous help to us. I think the expertise within Arris is what sets them apart. They could provide value if they were supporting any number of ERP systems.